Alright, so I got this microphone set up. It is clipped onto my shirt. Hopefully I did a good job. I'm really not used to these type of microphones. But this is just a test. Either way, so far I really like this microphone. It's pretty easy to set up. All you gotta do is just turn it on. Make sure that it's on the right channels. I don't like that it needs AAA batteries, but at least I can charge it with USB Type-C. So that's a big plus. So everything should sound pretty good right now. I don't have headphones on, so I can't monitor the audio, but I'm trusting that it sounds pretty good. I really like that all the options to control the audio are right there on the transmitter. I don't gotta download any app. I don't gotta worry about Bluetooth or anything like that. If I wanna change the volume, I can just reach over and fix the volume with the volume switch on the side, and it's pretty convenient. So I'm gonna take a few steps back. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. I think I'm about 10 feet away from my camera. It's weird because I'm far away. I feel like I have to yell, but I don't have to yell because the microphone is right here. So right now I'm in an empty park. It's like a empty baseball field. And recording outside is interesting because anytime I pull up my camera or people hear me talking, they think like I'm shooting a movie or something and they just look at you. Especially right now with everything going on, people just get a little paranoid when they see a camera. So that's why I'm glad I picked the empty park. I was recording on the other side of the park, and like I mentioned before, this park is empty right now because it was raining like a few hours ago, and this guy just kind of sat right next to me. And again, this park is empty, like out of the entire space in the park. You kind of chose to sit next to me. When you see me recording and you see me with a camera and hooking up the microphone, that was a little bit weird. Even right now, there's a guy passing by on a bike. He's looking at me like, what is this guy doing? Who is he talking to? There is some wind, but I don't know if you guys can hear it or if it's picking up, but that's kind of part of the audio test to hear how it sounds without the windscreen. So this microphone set comes with 2 microphones and 2 receivers, so you can record 2 people at the same time. But since there's no events and since I can't really go meet up with anyone, I can't really test out 2 people. I can interview one of my family members, but that wouldn't really be a good test, right? I don't think so. So far, based on the few audio tests that I did, it sounds pretty good, and I think it's worth it. Overall, I think this is an awesome deal for people who want to do interviews or they want to do creative vlogging where you're recording at a distance and you can just go all the way back. Let me just see how far I can go before it starts breaking up on me. Okay. Again, I feel like I have to shout even though the microphone is right here on me. If you guys are interested in this microphone, there's a link in the description below. You can go ahead and get it on Amazon. It's available right now. It's in stock. I know a lot of microphones, they got sold out because of the pandemic. Everyone's working from at home. This is a pretty awesome microphone. It doesn't matter if you're at home or if you're at an event or if you're gonna use it for traveling in the future or doing interviews. I think it's pretty good.